Hey Bobcats, hope you're doing well. Listen, I've got one of our library books here, but this book is sneaky. Take a look at it. It's called Two Truths and a Lie. Interesting. Now, I can tell you that this book is not going to be a completely fiction book, and it's also not going to be a completely nonfiction book. This is a book that's going to get us thinking. I'm going to read one of the chapters to you guys today. There's actually 3 parts in the chapter. 2 of the parts in the chapter are going to be true, and 1 of the parts of the chapter is going to be a lie. Are you ready to pay good attention? Because it is going to be up to you to figure out of the 3 animals that we read about together today, which one is the lie. Here we go. We're going to start with A. A is invasion of the tree octopods. And it says, quick, name 3 facts about the octopus. 8 legs, powerful beak, lives in the ocean, all true of your average octopus. But what happens when you come across an octopus that isn't quite so average? Just over 2 decades ago, naturalists were excited to discover an entirely new type of octopod, one that challenged some key things scientists had grown to expect in the species. The newcomer is known scientifically as Octopus paxarbilus, or more commonly as the Pacific Northwest tree octopus. Yes, that's right, an octopus that lives in trees. First discovered by respected naturalist Lyle Zapata in 1998, the tree octopus has evolved to make its home deep in the rainforests of Washington State's Olympic Peninsula. It moves using its powerful suckers to anchor to the tree of its choice, to its tree of choice. You won't find the tree octopus swinging around during the day, though. The night is when it likes to venture out to hunt, feeding on rodents, frogs, and other small mammals. In exceptionally hot or dry weather, the tree octopus will make frequent trips to nearby bodies of water to cool and replenish its naturally moist hide. During the height of the rainy season, though, it can easily live on land for weeks at a time. The tree octopus is a timid and solitary creature, living alone and camouflaging itself into its surroundings. It's also got a remarkably advanced brain capacity, which is opening up new avenues for science. What interesting information might this aquatic tree dweller be able to share, if only it could be understood? While the tree octopus spends most of its life outside of the water, it returns to the ocean to lay its eggs. The tiny hatchlings spend their first weeks underwater, growing in size and strength. Finally, they clamber up to the banks and head for the safety of the trees, where they will live out for the rest of their lives. In the early 2000s, the tree octopus was on the verge of extinction, but a strong grassroots campaign by dedicated Pacific Northwest communities helped reverse that. They set about raising awareness and establishing cephalod-safe forest zones. The result? The tree octopus has seen a terrific comeback. It is now one of the fastest growing octopod species on the West Coast. So if you're out and about on a gray, rainy day, keep your eye on those treetops. Maybe you'll be the one to spot something unusual lurking in their boughs. Okay, that was our first animal that we read about in this book, the tree octopus. Are you thinking about it? All right, I'm going to end this video and there will be 2 more with 2 different creatures. Bye.